We are on our way to deliver Guhrl's care package. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a delivery for Guhrl.
Thank you.
Wi-Fi technology has evolved so much. Nokia wanted to demonstrate that gamers don't have to rely purely on Ethernet anymore. Let's open the package and see what you got.
I'm excited to look at it. Wow. Some G Fuel for the gamers.
Ketchup chips,
Ketchup
uniquely
chips.
Canadian. You gotta have ketchup chips. Cloud gaming. We're gonna give everybody a basic cloud gaming package subscription,
Okay.
so you can try it out. And of course, the event tournament hoodie.
That's awesome. That'll surely fit.
A Wi-Fi 6E adapter. I've seen so many people say, oh, well, great idea, but I don't have a Wi-Fi adapter. So that's what we're trying to change. The Nokia Beacon 10, we put some secret sauce in there that will treat the traffic from Apex with the highest possible priority to minimize lag spikes and to provide the most consistent experience.
So clean and it's so smooth. I like it. I like the design.
Scott was nice enough to work with us to create a special controller for the event.
Oh, I love the colors.
How often do you see other players complain about lag?
Every day at least. At least 10 times.
At LAN, you're always going to play over Ethernet. But when you're at home, with technology like this, we want to demonstrate that it's as good as if you were just plugged in directly nowadays.
Awesome. Thank you.
Excellent.
I can't wait to try it all out.